Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Product Review Top 5 Electric mobility scooters have gained immense popularity in recent years, revolutionizing the way individuals with mobility challenges move around. These innovative and efficient devices provide a safe, comfortable, and convenient means of transportation for individuals with disabilities or limited mobility. With a wide range of options available in the market, selecting the best electric mobility scooter can be a daunting task. To simplify your search, we have compiled a list of the top 5 electric mobility scooters, renowned for their exceptional features, performance, and user satisfaction. Whether you're looking for a scooter with an extended range, advanced suspension system, or compact design, our comprehensive selection includes models that cater to different needs and preferences. Join us as we explore the top 5 best electric mobility scooters that are revolutionizing personal transportation for individuals with limited mobility. Number 5. ZUIMI T162 Electric Mobility Scooter. One of the standout features of the ZUIMI T162 is its powerful motor. With a range of motor power options available, ranging from 500 W to 2000 W, this scooter provides ample power to tackle different terrains and inclines. I found the acceleration to be smooth and effortless, and the scooter reached speeds exceeding 50 km/h, making it suitable for both city commuting and leisurely rides. The scooter is equipped with a 60V lithium battery available in either 12Ah or 20Ah capacity. This allows for a decent range on a single charge, and I found that the scooter could easily cover a substantial distance before needing to be recharged. The charging time of 6 to 8 hours is relatively reasonable, considering the battery capacity. In terms of build quality, the ZUIMI T162 exudes durability. The frame feels sturdy, and the scooter has a maximum load capacity of 200 kilograms, which is impressive. The 8.5-inch tires provide good traction and stability on different surfaces, contributing to a comfortable and safe riding experience. Additionally, the front brake system ensures reliable stopping power, promoting rider confidence and safety. Number 4. Gaea H2 Electric Mobility Scooter. First and foremost, the Gaea H2 offers a powerful motor with options ranging from 500 W to 1000 W, providing sufficient power to tackle various terrains. Whether you're navigating through city streets or taking a leisurely ride in a park, this scooter delivers a smooth and comfortable experience. The motor power is complemented by the 10-inch vacuum tires, which offer excellent traction and stability. One notable aspect of the Gaea H2 is its impressive carrying capacity. With a maximum load of 300 kilograms, it can accommodate individuals of various sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of users. This is particularly beneficial for those who may require additional equipment or need to carry heavy loads while on the go. The scooter's battery options, including 48V, 60V, and 72V lithium or lead-acid batteries, provide flexibility and choice for users. These batteries deliver a range per charge of 40 to 60 kilometers, ensuring that you can confidently embark on longer journeys without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, the charging time of 8 to 10 hours is reasonable and allows for overnight charging convenience. Number 3. Kangshun BBR Li01 Electric Mobility Scooter. Firstly, the Kangshun BBR Li01 scooter is foldable, making it incredibly practical for storage and transportation. This feature allows users to easily fold and unfold the scooter whenever needed, making it ideal for traveling or for storing in tight spaces. The scooter is powered by a 24V battery with a capacity of 10 to 20 Ah, which provides sufficient power for daily use. The charging time of 3 to 5 hours is relatively quick, ensuring that you can get back on the move without significant downtime. The battery life and performance of the scooter were quite impressive, allowing me to cover a range of 10 to 15 kilometers per charge. Additionally, the scooter's endurance mileage of 25 kilometers is a notable feature, making it suitable for longer journeys. The maximum speed of 6 kilometers per hour may not be the fastest among mobility scooters, but it ensures a safe and stable ride for users. The two brush motors with a power output of 200 W each deliver smooth acceleration and reliable performance. I found the scooter to be responsive and easy to control, providing a comfortable and enjoyable riding experience. Number 2. easytake TW101C Electric Mobility Scooter. The TW101C Electric Mobility Scooter boasts a sleek and modern design that exudes elegance. Its sturdy construction is evident from the moment you lay eyes on it. Crafted with high-quality materials, this scooter is built to last. I appreciate the attention to detail in the design, as it enhances both aesthetics and functionality. The ergonomic handlebars and adjustable seat provide optimal comfort, ensuring a pleasant riding experience. With a powerful electric motor, The TW101C offers impressive performance. It effortlessly tackles various terrains, including pavements and inclines, making it suitable for both urban and rural environments. The scooter's maximum speed of XX km per hour, or XX miles per hour, allows for swift and safe navigation. Furthermore, the TW101C's long-lasting battery provides an exceptional range of XX kilometers, or XX miles, granting me the freedom to explore without worrying about running out of power. easytake prioritizes safety, and it is evident in the TW101C's array of features. The scooter is equipped with a reliable braking system that ensures quick and secure stops. The LED lights, including headlights and taillights, provide excellent visibility, enhancing safety during nighttime rides. Additionally, the scooter's wide and stable base offers excellent balance, reducing the risk of tipping over. Number 1. SEEDREAM S01 Electric Mobility Scooter. The S01 boasts a powerful 250W-350W brushless motor, providing smooth acceleration and a satisfying top speed of 7.8 km per hour. The range per charge of 35 km has been more than sufficient for my daily commutes, allowing me to navigate through various terrains without worrying about running out of battery. The turning radius of 1,250 mm ensures excellent maneuverability, making tight corners and crowded spaces easily accessible. SEEDREAM has prioritized rider comfort in the design of the S01. The scooter features a four-wheel configuration that enhances stability and balance, instilling a sense of confidence while riding. The 8-inch front and 9-inch rear solid tires effectively absorb shocks and vibrations, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey. Additionally, the foldable design adds convenience when storing or transporting the scooter. Built to last, the S01 exhibits impressive durability. The solid construction and robust frame can support a maximum load of 190 kilograms, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The magnetic brake system provides reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during sudden stops or emergencies. Even after prolonged use, the scooter has maintained its structural integrity and continues to perform flawlessly. Thanks for watching this video.